In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email automatically in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're looking to save time and keep leads engaged without manual follow-ups, this quick walkthrough will get you set up fast. Before we start, make sure your email is already connected inside Pipedrive so the message can send from your account. Also, have a clear idea of when you want the email to go out and who should receive it, such as a contact linked to a deal. Begin by looking at the left-hand sidebar in Pipedrive. Click the three dots icon to open more options, then select Automations. This takes you to the place where you can build workflows that run on their own. In the top right corner, click the Add Automation icon. You're now in the builder where you'll define what kicks off the workflow and what happens after. First, set a trigger. You can use an event trigger, which starts when something happens in Pipedrive, or a date trigger, which runs based on a specific date or time. Event triggers could be things like when a deal is created or moved to a new stage, while a date trigger could be tied to a due date or a scheduled milestone. Choose the option that matches your process so the email goes out exactly when it should. Next, add your action. Choose Email, then select Send Email. This tells Pipedrive that when your trigger occurs, it should automatically send a message. You'll now see the email composer. Write a clear subject line, craft the body of your message, and use placeholders where helpful, such as the recipient's first name or deal title, to make it feel personal at scale. Keep it concise, give the recipient a clear next step, and avoid spammy language. If needed, you can add simple formatting or links, and you can choose who the message is sent to based on the record the workflow uses, like the person associated with the deal. Apply the action, and you'll see it added to your automation workflow. The visual layout shows your trigger connected to the send email step, which helps you confirm everything flows correctly. If you want, you can add more customizations and steps, such as delays or conditions, but this basic setup is enough to start sending automated emails right away. When you're satisfied, click Save at the top right. That's it. Your automation is live and ready to work for you. With this in place, Pipedrive will send your chosen email whenever the trigger fires, helping you stay responsive and consistent without extra effort.